Welcome to this technical guide on the Nintendo XL. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing system piston issues with your Nintendo XL, you're not alone. This problem usually arises due to wear and tear or a buildup of dust and debris. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage, making your device unusable. It's essential to address this issue promptly to avoid more extensive repairs down the line. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a pair of tweezers, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, ensure your Nintendo XL is powered off and unplugged. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located on the back panel. Keep them safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back cover removed, locate the system piston component. It's typically positioned near the top of the device and may be surrounded by other delicate parts. Gently disconnect any cables connected to the piston. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once disconnected, unscrew the piston from its mounting. Take your time, as applying too much force can cause damage to surrounding components. After removing the old piston, clean the area with the isopropyl alcohol to ensure there's no dust or residue. Now, take the new piston and carefully install it in the same position as the old one. Screw it in place, ensuring it's secure but avoid over-tightening. Reconnect the cables you previously disconnected, making sure they are firmly in place. Now, it's time to close your device. Align the back cover carefully and press down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, securing the back panel. Before you power it on, double-check that everything is connected properly. Finally, turn on your Nintendo XL and test the system piston to ensure it's functioning correctly. If everything is working well, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you keep your device clean and avoid exposing it to excessive dust or moisture. Regular maintenance can go a long way in prolonging the life of your Nintendo XL. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.